Hello everyone, welcome back to Quarter Flips. I'm Dave and we did it. We got over 200 subscribers really fast. When I put up my last video, it was at 187 subscribers. I just looked, we're at 216. I have received more subscriptions in the past 28 days, almost than the entire time prior to that. I started in January with 3 or 4 subscribers and getting a couple of views on videos, and for the first few months it just, was a little here and there. I got a few friends to subscribe, but it seems like things have really clicked in recently. It's just in the last couple of weeks, and YouTube seems to be serving out my videos to more people. It seems like it, because I'm getting tons of comments on older videos now, and I'm seeing that those videos are getting a lot more views, which is really cool. And I'm getting some cool comments and questions, mostly cool, some interesting ones, some that are a little critical, and that's okay, because I asked for that. So I'm gonna make a video really soon answering some of that stuff. But today, what we have to do is give away this printer. This iDPRT thermal label printer. It's a SP410 direct thermal label printer, brand new in the box. Let things better, faster, and vital is that's their slogan, I guess. So we're gonna let things better, faster, and vital. I'm gonna give this away. So here is how you win this thermal label printer. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel, and I'm not going to be able to check that. So just on our system, I hope you'll want to be subscribed to the channel. Throw a like on this video. Once again, I'm not going to be able to check, but that would be super cool. And then in the comments, tell me what your favorite movie is. That's all you got to do. Just put the name of a movie in the comments. Now, I've done these kinds of things on another channel that I do, and people always get cute with the answers. And that's fine. I understand the impetus to do that. But in order to qualify for this thermal label printer, I need you to put the name of a movie in the comments so that when I select yours with the random comment picker, it has the name of a movie, so anybody else that had a comment in there doesn't feel like they got cheated because it got given away to someone who didn't follow the rules. That makes sense, doesn't it? Here's the deal. Put the name of a movie. I said your favorite movie. That'd be cool. If you want to put your favorite movie in there, that'd be great. But if you put the name of a movie that isn't your favorite movie, that's okay, it'll count. I'm not going to be able to check if it's your favorite movie. There's always people who are like, well, I don't have a favorite movie. Pick a movie. If you've never seen a movie in your life, go look up the name of a movie online, put it in the comments, and then you'll qualify. The only other thing I'm going to say is this offer is good for people in the United States. And if you're outside the United States and you want to put a movie in there and you want to win this thing, that's fine, except you have to have an address inside the United States for me to ship this to. So I will tell you how to contact me when everything is said and done, and you'll need to provide me with an address, and I'll need to be able to verify that it was you that left the comment, which we'll do. We'll work that out, and then I'll send this to you if I pick your comment. But I'm not going to send it overseas. This stuff is really, really expensive. So yeah, have an address in the States. And if you don't, and you're not going to be able to meet that requirement, please do not put a name of a movie in the comments. But other than that, thank you all very much for doing this. And look, here's the thing. If you want to get in touch with me and say, hey, you know what, I'll pay for the shipping. If you do pick my name, I don't live in the United States, that's fine too. I'm just not going to pay the shipping to Japan or something for this thing. So that's it. Please like and subscribe. And we hit 200. Things are moving quickly. I'll give another one of these away at 500. 500, we'll do another printer. But for now, let's get those comments going. And 1 week from today, whenever today is, when I put this video up, I will make another video where I film myself picking the winner. And then that person can get in contact and get the printer. So, all right, that's it. Thank you very much. Get those comments in. Let's do this.